fathers play a very important role how the behavior and how the personality of a child is shaped up. Fathers come from their offices and they cuddle the child, they love the child, they play with them, or sometimes they're very tired, they even yell at them, or maybe they are not very friendly or whatsoever. So there are various ways in which a father can or cannot show their love to their children. But one of the very important things that we usually forget and do not consider, I mean, the fathers do not consider, is that how they are treating the mother of the child. So we think that men think that fathers can come home and they can play on Saturdays, Sundays, on weekends, or they come home from the office and they can just cuddle the child, talk to them for some time, play with them, and that is like more than enough. Of course it is very, very important, no doubt about it, that physical touch and emotional communication, that is all very important. Playing with the child is very, very important. But at the same time, we are forgetting that how a father treats the mother of the child can be very important as well, and we usually tend to ignore this. So how a father is actually treating a child's mother. If a son sees his father treating his mother nicely, respectfully, politely, the same thing he is going to do when he becomes an adult. So when a small child, when a boy becomes a man, he is going to, in a very same way, he is going to treat other women. He is going to respect women. He is going to give them be very polite with them, or be very chivalrous with them, because that is what he has seen his father doing. So that is what he has seen during his childhood, that how his father used to treat his mother. So he thinks that this is the way we can treat women. And when the child grows as an adult, it is quite a reflection of his childhood, where his father used to treat his mother. And not just the son, it is also very important for the daughter. So when the daughter sees that how father is treating her mother, the daughter starts expecting the same thing from her, maybe her would-be husband or boyfriend, or any future man she's going to be with. So she starts expecting the same kind of treatment. If a daughter, if a girl is treated very nicely, respectfully, if she sees that her father is treating her mother like a queen, like he's being very respectful and very polite towards her, very loving and caring towards her, she is going to expect the same thing. She is going to have the same ideology of a man, that this is how a man is like, and this is how it is a normal for a man to treat a woman like this. But if she sees that her father has been yelling at mother, or disrespecting her, or passing sarcasm, or things like that, she thinks it is very normal even for me. Like when the girl grows up, she might think that it is very normal even for me to get abused by the man, or being disrespectful by the man. So she starts accepting all kind of disrespect and no love and degradation by the other man in her life. So that is why our childhood, whatever we see in our childhood, it is very important. There is a mirror that we see during our adulthood. So our childhood is the reflection, a mirror of what we see as an adulthood. So dear fathers, it is very important that how you treat the mother of your child, because your daughter and your son are watching you,